had some bumps along the way, you were still able to secure a higher placement entering the next round?
It was very important and crucial, of course, that we got the wins that we did last year. Yeah. So, it was important. Every game is important naman. So,
And coach, ayun rin po, parang ano siguro naging advantage ng medyo, ngayon po ang advantage ng medyo smaller roster na kumpara sa bigger roster, no? In terms of managing players lang para, kumbaga tuloy-tuloy yung form, tuloy-tuloy yung level na pinapakita nila.
Siguro yung nakikita kong advantage, yung commitment ng players. Sobrang, baga, kahit 12 lang kami, na-maximize namin yung skills ng bawat isa. And then, siguro, ang ayun, mabilis lang yung training kasi konti lang yung ite-train mo. But, syempre, mas marami ring mga disadvantages. Pero, mas kino-cover namin siya kung saan kami mas magiging advantage. So, yun lang naman siguro yung isa sa nakikita ko. And, yeah, yung mindset siguro talaga nung team. Yun yung kasi sabi ko nga, kailangan mas ma-maximize natin yung talent skills ng bawat isa. Kasi kukunti na nga lang din tayo. So, doon tayo, yeah. So, yeah. Ayun na, okay na.